these guys sticking out like that. And I have the trunk lid like this. And if I forget, and I'm not paying attention, it's gonna crack me right in the head. One of these guys hit me right in the head, cut my head open, knocked me down to the ground, and it really hurt. And my head was throbbing. So you wanna rotate those down. It can still be dangerous, even this way. If I forget, it could grab me right in the mouth, or even hit me on the head if I'm close enough. I'm just, not paying attention. So it's good to have another person around to pay attention, to help. Or ideally take this off when you're gonna lift the trunk. There, I put one in first. That'll hold it, so I can let it go. This one I'll just lift it up a little bit. Make sure it's even. Okay, and then I'll lift the trunk lid. Just slip these guys in there. And then tighten that. We'll lift it again. Just see where they're gonna line up nice. Not be in a weird position to move around too much. And tighten it down. Now the trunk lid is still a little open, and that's gonna be annoying. You start driving, and once you get the bikes on, it's gonna be too heavy to do anything about it. So you wanna lift the tailgate and make sure it's closed before you rotate these up. So, and I'll show you that up close too. So as you can see, to unlock it, it shows you, and you just turn that, and it has like it automatically locks back. But once you have it in the position you want it, you want to rotate that down. That makes sure it's locked, because it can stay like half unlocked. But you want to just get it and let it drop. Okay, so I have 3 bikes on here. I had to get a couple of these bars for 2 of the bikes. This one's obviously fine. It uses these quick release and things. I almost can do it with one hand. And you just put it in, and you'll just... So I do that on as many angles as I can. That one has one for the crossbar there. I also use a ratchet set just in case. It sort of holds everything on there in case these for some reason failed. I really don't think they would. They've been really solid. No issues at all. You'll see here you can do an unlock. You rotate it up. It's a little tough sometimes, but it works. In order to move these 2 bars up and down. Usually I have this up a little higher, but I somehow didn't pay attention with that. Then over here, you just have 2 hooks on top, and you'll have 2 hooks on the bottom. I added this thick foam padding because it will dent the trunk lid and mess up the bumper. They work, they're tough, but they're cosmetically, they will mess up your car. I put some duct tape also. And that's about it. I'll take the bikes off now. And so I'm gonna pull these off. I'll take the ratchet off, and then I'll show you how to remove the rack. This is a Husky brand. It works really well. And I'm gonna take these clips off. As you can see, it's super easy. That took me a total of just a few seconds to take all those off. Really nice. That's it. so here I just might jiggle these a little bit. They will go further. I just didn't want them to hit the bumper and mark it up, so I click them back a little bit further. So all you have to do, you don't have to take these top ones, you don't have to loosen these, just these on the bottom. I just tie this off so it's not flapping everywhere. I guess it's a little extra to make a tie. Down here too, there's a little metal tab in here. I'll show you that. So I just click that, it just loosens up just like that. Okay, and then this tab, I've got to open the trunk a little bit to get it out. Okay. Take this one off. So I'm going to lift the trunk lid and pull these out. Also put a little duct tape on those just so it wouldn't mark up the trunk lid. And all you do is give this pop. And yeah. So, you know, these, and with the bike rack, these shocks can't really be, you know, you can't rely on those. It'll close on your head. It's just too heavy to keep, these can't keep it open with it. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't, so you pretty much need to guarantee that it's not. And just be careful. And I recommend always wearing helmets. All of us do. You know, my son, he tried to ramp up a hill, he ended up rolling backwards, falling off his bike in a weird way, and he went off the grass onto the pavement, and his head, without that helmet, it would have been his head, the back of it hitting the concrete. So these things really work. They're really important. You get used to them. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. You're amazing, you're beautiful. I love you. Have an awesome day.